All right, guys, here's our Optic International. The red stars parallel. That's right. That's what we do. If you're guessing the player on the last red stars parallel, get those guesses in. We should have 2 of those. 20 packs, 4 cards per pack. I don't know how I forgot about the red stars. Autos are possible. Obviously, all the downtowns, uptowns, duos possible as well. There we go. Good luck. We got 2 breaks left tonight, guys. Najee Harris, Randy Gregory, Dante Culpepper, Calvin Johnson. We have Jeff Garcia, Quincy Williams, Best Studies, Reggie Wayne, Peyton Manning, Josh Downs. Ricky Pearsall, Trevion Henderson, Xavier Legette, Ramondre Stevenson. Warren Moon, Bucky Irving on our first Red Stars parallel. Trey McBride, Jameson Williams. Drew Brees, Jared Goff, Ashton Genty, Joe Burrow. Braylon Allen. Ooh, we got an auto. Jahade Barron on the Red Stars parallel auto going to Denver. 100's out of 50. Except for the Broncos, a rookie auto out of 50. Trevor Etienne, Zach Charbonnet. Golden Tate, Malik Neighbors, Jaden Higgins, Tony Dorsett. Preferred hobby coming up next, PYT 938 if you're waiting on that one. Jalen Warren, Federoa McMillan, AJ Brown, and Aaron Rodgers. Zach Ertz, Howie Long, Derrick Henry, Tyler Algier. Adam Thielen, Josh Allen, Torrey Holt, Russell Wilson. Michael Pittman Jr., Jake Plummer, Chain Reactions, Bo Nix, Alvin Kamara. Baker Mayfield, Trey Harris, Aaron Rodgers, Khalil Mack on the base. We have Terry McLaurin, Leonard Williams, Luke Kuechly, Jalen Ramsey. Kyler Murray, Ed Reed, Abdul Carter, TJ Watt. Max Crosby, and Emeka Abuka. Should be the guest of the break. Randy Moss, Eric Dickerson. Matthew Stafford, Travion Henderson, Buda Baker, David Njoku. Justin Fields, Ricky Williams, Travis Hunter, Jacoby Myers. Rich Gannon, Jake Plummer. Best Studies, Cortland Sutton, Bo Nix, Jordan Addison. We got David Montgomery, Nick Bosa, Ozzie Newsome, Mike Evans. Mark Andrews, Myles Garrett, Jalen Milroe, Marquise Brown, and that'll do it. recap, we did get that auto. Nice extra hit in this. Did not get the uptowns or downtowns, but we got Mecca Buka was the guest of the break. Then we have Bucky Irving, 2 Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Then we had Jade Barron on the auto. That was out of 50 going to Denver. All right, guys, that does it for our 5th break of the night. That was our Optic International hobby. Now it's time to up our Phoenix Preferred.